Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some beautiful dark milk chocolate, cardamom and orange zest hot cross buns. The full recipe will be linked down below. Be sure to click the link, subscribe and give this a like. Let's go. First you're going to need to toast 5 grams of cardamom pods and then grind them up into a fine powder. Then weigh out 500 grams of strong bread flour, add 10 grams of dried active yeast, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of cinnamon, 5 grams of crushed cardamom and 50 grams of sugar, and thoroughly combine. Then combine the wet ingredients. This includes 1 whole egg, 50 milliliters of milk and 300 milliliters of room temperature water. Then add the dry and wet ingredients to the mixer. Using a dough hook, mix on medium speed for 5 minutes until the dough is formed and it comes away from the bowl. To add a subtle punch to your hot cross buns, you could soak your raisins in some alcohol. I chose to soak mine in a little bit of Malibu. Then add 50 grams of chopped dark or milk chocolate along with the 250 grams of soaked or unsoaked raisins and mix on high speed for 3 minutes. Once combined, remove and transfer to another bowl and cover with cling wrap and leave for 1 hour to prove.
1 hour later.
After an hour, the dough should have doubled in size. Place it on a floured surface and fold the edges 3 to 4 times and then place back in the bowl, covered, and rest for a further 20 to 25 minutes. Then, on a floured surface, divide the dough into 85 to 90 gram balls, tucking in the bottom to create a smooth surface on top. Place on lined baking sheets and let proof for a further 20 minutes. To make the cross mixture, combine 75 grams of plain flour, 25 grams of vegetable oil, 70 grams of water and the zest of 1 orange. Whisk together and place in a piping bag. Once the dough has proofed, slowly pipe the cross along all buns and place in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. Once the hot cross buns have risen and are golden brown, melt some apricot jam or honey and brush over the top. And there you go. These are my delicious and delicate take on hot cross buns. Enjoy. Let's go.